So if you've ever tried to fit a traditional bath screen seal and found that first of all it wouldn't go on the glass, or secondly it went on the glass and then it fell off the minute you moved that bath screen, continue to watch. You may have already tried to change your bath screen seal and found that it was bad fitting, it leaked, or it kept flipping off the glass. The biggest problem with bath screens are they're all different shapes, they're all different sizes, the glass is all different thicknesses. You can have anything from 3mm thick glass up to 8mm thick glass. So what is the Uniblade? The Uniblade is a British made product that is designed to fit on glass from 3mm thick up to 8mm thick. Moreover, it's more flexible than any of its contemporaries in the market, which means you can easily fit it to an S-shaped screen, a curved screen, or over a P-shaped bath. So the Uniblade can be easily fitted, and more importantly, it can be easily taken apart so that you can actually clean the parts and put it back on again. So all in all, the Uniblade will have a much longer life than any of the contemporaries that you might find on the marketplace. So if you're having trouble finding a solution to your curved screen, S-shaped screen, or even a straight screen, the Uniblade is the answer. Like to know more about it? Click the link below, and thanks for watching.